Alright, so today I'm going to show you how do you remove StreamRaider application from the computer and then reinstall the application. This is just in case there's ever a bug, there's a new event, and sometimes StreamRaider glitches out and you can't play the game. This is how to remove the program and completely reinstall it. So first things first is you want to go to Start Bar. You just want to type in uninstall. So it says add or remove program, you just click on that. And then here, you're just going to type in the list. This is the list of all the programs that you can uninstall. Just type in StreamRaiders or Stream Captains. StreamRaiders. Click on it and then click uninstall on here. That's all you have to do and it'll uninstall it. So then this tag at the bottom here will go away. So then what you want to do is you want to go to streamcaptain.com. Streamcaptain.com. You want to click on the Team Bash here and go to Streamer Tools. Then all you have to do is download the Windows 10 application right here and install it. Then you might have to search for it on here. StreamRaiders. You can click on it and it'll open up down here. Then if you want to save it to the taskbar, because you'll have to end up resaving it, you just right click and click Pin to Taskbar. It's already pinned to the taskbar here, so you have to. You don't want to unpin it, you want to pin it to the taskbar because it'll remove it when you uninstall it. And that's it. That's how you uninstall StreamRaiders and reinstall it. So if you ever have to do that for any of the other applications, that's how you can do that as well. Alright, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any comments down below. If you have any other problems and tech problems, I'm happy to help. Alright, bye!